other teachers for grade 1. Welcome to our academic director, support you.
Who is the
Okay.
talking, beta?
Okay, Nana. Srinita. Okay. Cooperative parents on our students' Think Room Day. If I recall, last year, my students' Think Room, it was on the stage where all the students were performed with lot of confidence. But these months and times had changed everything and made everyone to use technology. Not talking much of your time, not taking much of your time. I just want you all to understand, though we are not running physical class, but yet we are able to balance our students' education through online classes, by which even today it is helping us to create a platform where our students are able and ready to do live session on various topics. I hope our tiny tots are ready to perform. Are you?
Yes.
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 Now
Yes.
over to Aisha ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Sandhya madam. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Pranita madam. Good evening, Nirja madam. Good evening, one and all. Dear parents, thanks for joining us. I want to start with Abhiram. Abhiram, are you there? Shall we
Yes,
start,
ma'am.
Abhiram? Shall we
Yes, ma'am.
start?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Abhiram. Abhiram,
Ma'am,
what
how
is your
are
topic?
you?
I'm good, beta. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, today what we are going to do, beta? What is special today?
Think Room Day.
Wow, do you love Think Room Day?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me today what are you going to explain? What is your subject? What is your subject?
Myself.
What is your subject, beta? You are from which group?
Story reader.
What is your group name, beta?
5 fingertips.
Five fingertips, your group name. Okay, can you explain why you have chosen this 5 fingertips?
5 fingertips means reading, picture reading, emotional, listening, speaking,
Okay.
reading,
Okay. How the story?
writing.
Okay. All this comes under which group, Nana?
Ma'am,
Uh,
these are some story readers.
wow. Okay. Do you love listening stories or do you love reading stories?
Reading story.
How many stories have you finished, beta, still now?
13.
13. Which is your favorite story?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Why do you love that story?
In there, Mr. John helped people to deliver food.
Okay. Can I give you to read book number 3?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you ready to read it? Sandhya madam, can you share the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm ready to read any story.
Let's
For
see.
the
Very good. Very good.
Okay, what is the story? Number 3.
post
Abhiram?
office.
Post office. Okay.
Ma'am, which
What is
number?
there on the screen?
The post office.
Okay. Sandhya madam, take out page number 10. Abhiram, can you read page number 10?
Yes, ma'am.
What is there on the screen?
Kamala,
Okay.
girls,
Okay. What she is doing, beta?
she's working.
Is working. Very good. Sandhya madam, take out page
Working,
number.
I'm not working.
What?
Working.
Huh?
Working.
Working. Okay. Take out page number 17. Yeah. Can you read this page?
She wants to send a parcel to Delhi.
Hmm?
She is sending her best friend a birthday gift.
Okay.
Very good. Very good.
Good. Take out page number 10. Abhiram, I'll ask you a few words. Okay. Are you ready to read few words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sandhya madam, first line P letter word.
Pants.
So first line D letter word.
Desk.
Sandhya madam, last W letter word.
Paying.
Very good. Sandhya madam, second line last S letter word.
Stapler.
Very good. Sandhya madam, can you go to another story? Book number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you tell me the story name, Abhiram?
Hot samosa.
Okay. Do you love samosa?
Yes, ma'am. I
Who
love
are there in this?
samosa.
Who are there in this story?
Ammu, Appa.
What is Amu doing and what is Appa doing, beta?
Appa is making samosas.
For
Ammu
who?
is eating.
Okay. Page number 8. Yeah. Abhiram, please, can you read it?
Appa makes dough with flour, salt, and water. Mix, mix, mix. Knead.
Thank you, Abhiram. Class for Abhiram. Good boy. Thank you, beta. Abhiram, who are there in your team? Can you tell me?
Nuts.
Okay, fine.
Abhiram.
Okay, fine.
Saimananga, Sasha Reddy, Nakshetrani.
Okay, thank you, beta. Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you read Sandhya, same book, page number
Okay.
12? Abhiram, please, I want you to sit properly, beta. Everyone is watching you.
Okay, ma'am.
Nana, Nakshatra, what is there on the screen?
Ma'am,
Yes.
samosas.
Samosas. Who is there on the screen?
Ammu.
Ammu. Okay. How she is feeling?
Happy.
Happy. Why she is feeling happy, beta?
He likes samosas.
Okay. Okay. Sandhya madam,
Yes, ma'am.
take out another story. Story number 7.
Okay. Can you say, Nana, which
What is the
number
story
7?
name
What
of
is the
book number 7, beta?
Fun with friends.
Nana, only Nakshatra will answer it. Remaining students, please mute yourself. Fun with friends, page number 13. Page number 13. Yeah, read it, beta. Nakshatra?
Grandma orders cold, fresh juice from the restaurant near my home.
మేడం మేడం ప్లీజ్ మీరు ఇలా డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తే పిల్లలు ఏం చదువుతున్నారు ఎవరికి అర్థం కాదు. మ్యూట్ మ్యూట్ ఎవ్రీవన్. యా నక్షత్ర, వాట్ ఈస్ ఆర్ లెటర్ వర్డ్ బేటా?
Restaurant.
What is G letter word in the first line beta?
Grandma.
Sandhya, take out page number 7. Yeah. Read it beta.
Kitty enjoys chasing birds in our
మేడం కొంచెం జూమ్ చేయరా?
Yeah, madam. Okay, sorry, madam. Yeah, zoom it.
ఓకే నాన్న.
tiny birding
Okay,
garden.
good. Now tell me whose name is Kitty, whether the bird name is Kitty or whose name is Kitty? Cat name. Okay.
Name is Kitty.
Can you read book number 10 for me? What is the name of the story?
Shopping with grandma.
Yes, shopping with grandma. Do you love doing shopping better?
Yes.
Yes. With whom you want? You love doing shopping better?
Toys name.
Okay. Page number 6. Yeah, Nakshatra, have a look on the screen beta. Yeah, read it.
He takes his purple piggy bank from the shelf.
What is that boy name?
Arun.
Arun, very good. Thank you, Nakshatra.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Sahasra Reddy. Sir, do you want to cross check, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, let all English children be completed.
Yes, sir. I'm doing the same thing, sir. Now I'm
Yeah,
doing with
then I'll come
storytelling.
back. No, go ahead. I'm observing. So
Okay.
far, Akshatra and Abhiram, both you have
Yeah.
done wonderful job. Very good. Let me see other Sai Manogna,
Yeah,
someone
sir.
with, let me see, madam. Let them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Sahasra Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Nana, what's your group name, beta?
5 fingers stick.
You are from which group, beta?
Story readers.
Okay. Which is your favorite story, beta?
It is wonderful day
Why do you love that story, beta?
because they have kitty and flowers
Nana,
and plants and rainbows.
okay, if I give you to read book number 8, can you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the story of book number 8?
And kitty wants to swim.
Kitty wants to swim. Is Kitty really enjoy swimming in the water?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Now I want you to take Sandhya madam page number 15. Yes, Nana, can you read this? Nana, can you read it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, read it then.
Zoom it a little bit, madam.
Yeah, but no, little bit reduce it.
Madam, rotate the picture, madam, so that they can see clearly.
ఓకే మేడం. 1 minute.
Yeah, at the corner you have that option.
Yeah. Yeah, now you
Yeah.
can see.
Sahasra.
Sahasra, read better.
It not it may not be a horse, but
Okay, Sandhya, take out page number 4.
This one.
Sandhya madam, is it your class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sahasra already belongs to your section or Nirja madam section?
No, my section.
Okay.
1 minute. Ma'am, page number.
Page number 13.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think she got good time.
Yeah.
was not a good idea.
Your voice is not clear, beta. Thank you, beta. Okay.
Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Sahasra, this is sir here. Yeah. Sahasra, can you hear me better?
Yes, sir.
Sahasra, can you help me? What these people are doing in the swimming pool?
Swimming.
Swimming. Can you swim? Do you know swimming?
Yes.
Sure. Did you swim? Did you learn swimming?
Yes.
Where did you swim?
Swimming pools.
Oh, you go to swimming pool. Okay, are you enjoying holidays?
Yes.
Want to continue holidays or do you want to come to school?
All these.
You want holidays yet?
No.
You want to
Come
come?
to school.
You want to come to school? Are you missing anything?
Friends.
Oh, you're missing your friends.
Yes.
Okay. Very good, Sahasra. All you three were doing good job. Very good. Madam, please go ahead.
Yeah.
Thank
Sumanvita.
you, sir. Yes,
Sumanvita.
ma'am.
Yeah, Nana. Sumanvita, can you read book number 2? What is the name of the story, beta?
Hot samosas.
Okay, then we will go with another story. Book number 4.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Okay. Page number 10.
Lunch.
Yeah. Can you read this page, beta? Can you see the screen?
First, Mr. John goes to David's school. He gives Mrs. Krishnan, the school principal, her lunch. She had ordered fried rice and vegetable soup. The box is hot.
Okay. What is the first line D letter word, beta?
David's
Last line V letter word.
box.
V letter word. Last line V
Box.
letter word. V.
Vegetable.
Okay. Sandhya, go to page number 14 or 13 is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 13. Page number 13.
13, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you read this for me?
Thank you, Mr. John. She
Hmm.
says with a smile. Enjoy your juice, says Mr. John.
Very good. Thank you, beta. Thank you, Sumanvita.
Thank you,
Claps for
ma'am.
Sumanvita, Nana. Very good. Claps all of you. Thank you, beta. Sai Managnya. Sai Managnya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Nana, can you read book number 5?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
that book number 5 story name?
Arun helps Amma.
Oh, Arun helps Amma. Do you help your mummy?
Yes.
Why you want to help your mummy, beta? Why do you want to help your mummy, beta? Okay, fine. Sandhya, take out page number 4. Yeah, can you read this? Can you see on the screen, Manognya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this?
Arun wants Amma to get better. He fetches her some hot water. He fetches her some pills from medicine cabinet. From the medicine cabinet. What more can I do? He wonders.
Okay. Can you tell me what is that first M letter, A letter word, Nana? First line, A letter word.
Arun,
What is that M letter word from the last second line? Last second line.
medicine.
Okay. Oh, last line, W letter word.
Wonders.
Okay, Sandhya, take out page number 7 or 8. Yeah, read it, Nana.
Anna walks into the kitchen. She hugs
Good evening, madam. Please continue with the class. I have session, madam.
from far.
She finished, Sandhya?
No, ma'am. She's continuing.
A wonderful boy. Arun is delighted to see Amma feeling much better and she laughs.
Good girl, Nana. Thank you, Masai Managnya. Claps for yourself. Good.
Ma'am, we finished. 5 minutes.
Yeah. We'll go with EVS.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Urvi,
Yes, ma'am.
good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
I fine, thank you. What about
Okay.
you?
I'm good, beta. Doing well. Nana, please, can you tell me you're from which group?
Rainbow Fest.
What is your subject?
EVS.
EVS. What is your topic?
Festivals.
Why you have chosen Rainbow Feast as your group name?
Because
Hmm?
in rainbow
Hmm?
there are
Hmm?
many colors.
Okay.
Same are different festivals.
Okay.
Rainbow Fest means it blends everything into one.
Okay. Which is your favorite festival, beta?
Diwali.
Why do you love Diwali, beta?
Because our family members come to my home.
Okay. On that particular day, which god we will be doing puja, beta? Will be worshipping
Lakshmi.
goddess Lakshmi. And what else we will be doing on that day?
By
Okay,
Eating
fine.
sweets.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you, Urvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Sanvi,
Ma'am,
good evening, beta.
good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
You?
I'm fine, thank you, beta. Nana, which is your favorite festival, beta?
Dasara.
Dasra. Do you like Dasra?
Yes.
Yes. Can you explain how do you celebrate Dasra, Nana?
I love to celebrate Dasara festival because it's a family festival where we all gather together and celebrate this festival in a grand way. It is 9 days festival and it is called as Navaratri. During Navaratri, we will worship Goddess Durga. It
Okay.
is
Okay,
main
stop. On during Dasra, what we will be doing, Nana?
play. We will be playing
Hmm? What we will be
and
playing?
enjoying
Hmm?
cooking,
Okay.
eating non-veg.
Okay. But during this Dasra season festival, we will be doing, all the ladies will be doing, what will be doing in the evening time?
Playing
What playing?
Batkama will be girls will play.
Okay. Can you explain about Batkamma beta?
Day one Batkama will be celebrate at home.
Okay. Good. Yeah, tell me. Fine. Very good, Nana. Superb. Thank you, Nana. Claps for Sanvi, Nana. Good. Vishambhar?
Day one Batkama.
Madam, please. Mute yourself. Vishambhar? Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, looking colorful at the background. What are you going to explain us, beta?
Sankranti.
About Sankranti. Why you want to explain about Sankranti? Is it your favorite festival or is it a family festival?
Family festival.
Okay. Can you explain me about Sankranti?
Okay. Two numbers are equal, 40 equal symbol.
Yeah.
A number big, one కింద పెట్టాలి. This number bigger,
It's a 3 days festival like
numbers
Boli.
in the crocodile move. కింద పెట్టాలి, big side.
Madam, someone is talking, please. Yeah. Yeah, Vishambhar.
Kali Harvest Festival. It's a 3 days festival like Bogi, Sankranti, and Kanma. On Bogi day, I wake up in the early morning. The bonfire will be born to overcome the evil. My mummy will make a beautiful rangoli in front of my house. My mummy will pour Bogi pallu on my head. After Bogi day, the Sankranti will come. On Sankranti day, on Sankranti day, the children all are enjoy with like kites. My mummy will make different types of food.
Okay, Vishambhar. In these 3 days, you said Bogi, Sankranti, and Kanamu, no? In these 3 days, which is your favorite day?
Bogi.
Bogi. Why you love Bogi better?
Because
Hmm?
my mummy will Bogi
Hmm.
Pallu. Head.
Okay, you enjoy bogi panlu.
Yes.
Only mummy will be doing, or all the relatives will be doing all this?
Adi.
Vishwambar, that's okay, beta. You're doing good job. Behind you, what are those pictures? Can you show me what are those pictures behind you?
Nana, move
No, madam.
and
Aisha, madam.
explain. Yeah, explain that, Nana.
What are those things? I could see some beautiful coloring paintings. What are they?
Vishwambar,
Vishwambar.
talk.
Vishwambar.
He's a
Unmute.
new child. He never saw you. That is the main problem, maybe.
No, no. Vishwambar, do you know me? Who I am?
Um, he's a new child.
Sir.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me what are those things behind you? Who drew
Turn
them?
backside. Turn backside. Enkal tirigi chudu.
అవి ఏంటి నాన్న? What are those things?
Yeah. Now tell us.
Trees and fire and Rangoli.
Very